Alright, so let's begin with this third block that's going to be structures. We'll follow the order. It's going to be CYPECAD first, then we'll see Cype 3D, and then we'll finish with Strubing Steel and Cype Connect. Okay, this is going to be our order. I selected here around 10, 11 different features from all these applications. Okay, so let's start with CyPeCAD. My first feature that I've selected here at CyPeCAD. Let me open CyPeCAD. I have a project here. It's related to seismic analysis. Here in the general data, remember that you can set the parameters that's going to be considered in your project when the system will design the structure for you. So we have the option to activate here the seismic loading. And there's something new here in some of the codes that are available. Here we have the list of codes available at CyPeCAD nowadays. We are always increasing the number of codes here and the countries. You also have here the general method in case you don't have your own flag here, let's say that. And for some codes like the American code here or even the Argentinian SIRSOC here, we have the option to consider the shear condition verification in case of seismic. Okay, actually these codes, they define some limits, some types of verifications, and now it's possible to decide how you wanna do that. You can, for example, consider the shear condition verification according to the specifications of the code that you selected, as is in this case of the Argentinian SIRSOC 103 of 2018. But you can also do not carry out this kind of analysis, do not consider that in your project. It's up to you. Or there are other options here, like defining a static based shear percentage in this case. Okay, so you can apply this static based shear percentage here. Okay, or you can decide or define a modification factor in X and Y direction for the combinations of loads that you have in these directions here in this option. Okay, here there are some new some information explaining a little bit about the base shear condition verification and about these factors that are how they are calculated, in case you want to understand a little bit more how it works. And of course, you have this option here based on the code, just on those seismic codes that consider the shear condition verification. For example, if I change here for the European Union, if I remember, yes, the European Union don't have this condition, this verification, so you don't have the option to do it according to the code. But if you want, you can add an extra analysis defining here this modification factors and also consider the base shear condition verification for a code that don't have this included. Okay, so this is this new feature available for seismic analysis here at CyPeCAD 2026B version. Okay, so yeah, shear condition verification.